What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.02, up 5.6 on the day. Seeing a market cap of 136 million, 24-hour volume 56 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitget, make sure to sign up. This is where I do my trading, Bitget and Bybit. Grab up to 8K in bonuses. You can email me or sign up email after you make your first deposit, and I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So we've been updating in the Discord here. We're looking for Gala to come down in a wave 5, which it did, just slight of our target. And we're looking at an ending diagonal, and we're looking to come down in that wave 3. If we zoom out here, here's a wave 1 down. And then we A, B, C'd into a wave 2. We're looking to come down that wave 3. So we've completed a wave A. We look for a 3-wave move into a wave B pullback and come down in a 5-wave move in a wave C, put in the wave 3, put in the wave 4, final wave 5. And hopefully complete the bear market for Gala right around that 1 cent range. We broke the 0.02 range. We're sitting at 0.019. We came all the way down to 0.017. So we're very close to the technical target that we've been watching for here with Gala. So nice to see the technical analysis playing out. So what we'll be looking at here is for a 3-wave move into a B. So this could be the wave 1. You would see a pullback, and then you would push up in like an ABC into a wave B, and then look to come down in the wave C. Usually a wave B is 50% retracement of wave A, which lines up with this down sloping trend line of resistance, which is coming in at 0.0224. So do watch for that. And as I mentioned, as you can see here on the daily, we're very close to that technical target of 0.017. I will continue to dollar cost average into my positions. Just be careful, because of course we can come lower, but don't get too greedy, in my opinion. I mean, what you do with your investments is your call, but I have been dollar cost averaging since about 0.05, and I'll continue to dollar cost average the lower that we go. And when we start to bottom out and turn around, I'll continue to add to my position. All right, gang, so that's what I'm looking at, coming down to 0.017, quite possibly lower to about 0.010, as I do believe the market will turn around in April to May of 2023, but it will be very slow. Like if we push up in a 3-wave move, that could take like a month, maybe not that long, but it definitely can, and then come down in that 5-wave move in a C. All these things can take time. You have to push up in a wave 4, come down in a wave 5, and yeah, things like that. They just take a long time to play out in the bear market. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to Bitget or Bybit. Grab those bonuses. Email me or sign up email. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, and at the 10 USD membership, which you can sign up through the Patreon, early access to my analysis signals. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays. Can be very helpful on your trading journey. And smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.